All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here. And honestly, it looks like I'm about to lose this account. It's good to actually have this here because when 6 months pass from now, and I'm sure I'm gonna be better at trading, I'm gonna be able to look back at this video, and you can probably look back at this video and see my track record, how I was trading, and then see if I got even better or not. So this account I actually lose it at 23,750, so it's about $100 away. I mean, I can trade more strategically for that, but I was just executing the strategy without fear there on a zero point 0.1 lot size, so that's what gave me. And I actually did I, there were two positions, but I actually doubled the position because I was trying to be confident in the strategy, but I got knocked out both times. But that's how it goes. I don't mind losing that just for the experiment. And honestly, I'm considering just funding a regular account as well and trade that and probably trade that up as well, more cautious, especially knowing that it's my money, and execute the strategies because I'm seeing some things, but sometimes I want to execute the strategy to see if it works. I mean, today it may not have worked, but it can probably work on another day. So let's see how it trades, and I might just reduce the size so I can stay in this account a bit longer. I don't want to just blow an account like that. Because literally I can take down the risk to not blow an account, but because I was trying to be confident in the trades today, I actually took some bigger losses. So here I entered, you see 124 here, but this is actually London time, and New York time you -3, so this would have been 10, if I'm correct, 1024. So that would be the 1015 candle. So I entered here, and I'm thinking, okay, I tried to create somewhat of I thought this was a fair value gap to the downside. So I entered here, trying to take it to the downside. I remembered I had a stop loss somewhere down here at 14, just to hit the zone, like at 1500. So I entered here at, let's see, 15062.3. Okay. And I got stopped out on the 11 o'clock candle here. Let's find that. That's this big bullish candle here. I got stopped out 15115.4. Yeah. So this is where I got stopped out on this trade for a total loss of 53.10. Or was it? Oh, this was the gap I was actually looking at. This was the gap I was looking at. So you can see how it played out now. The gap is, from what I've learned so far and what I've read, it hasn't been long enough for me to teach anybody this. I don't even get the strategy fully as yet. But you're entering, you use these as a point of where I guess there's imbalance here. So market tends to probably magnetize to there or rebound. You can see it rebounded in this area, but I don't fully understand it yet. But what I executed was basically I had my stop loss at the upper level of the gap, and that's what hit me out for a loss of 53.10. I had a 2-to-1 risk reward. So you can even see if I put it here and I put my risk to there, my reward at a 2-to-1. This would have been the perfect 2-to-1 if I was to aim for 14,961. Perfect 2-to-1. And it's possible the price could have came down here, but I actually got hit out at the stop loss here. And I was aiming for here as well at 1500, right? As my take profit. But both of these ended up being $253 losses. The next trade I entered on the 11 o'clock candle here. So 11 o'clock, and I entered to the buy side. So after I saw this bullish candle and it kind of closed into the, it closed in the zone or above the zone. I wanted to take it to the upside now, but I think I was just too flip flop with my move there. I probably should have just taken that loss and went on, but I'm still going to try and take this account right back up to profitability. So let's see. I don't know if I used something like this as the gap that I was trading off of for this next trade. Let's actually remove this. This is where I entered, correct? At 15. And you can see that these trades are basically the same. But I entered, these are basically the same as well. There are 0.4 difference. You can see it here in the loss as well. So entered this one at 15, 121.9 to the upside. I got stopped out at where? The lower point of this candle at 15. So let's actually put it on the chart. So I got stopped out on the 1 o'clock candle. Yes, on the 1 o'clock candle. That's this one. No, it's this one at 15085.8. So this one I entered to the upside here and I got stopped out here. Is this the 1 o'clock candle? No, the 145. No, correct, the 130. This makes sense now. Okay. So you can see I got stopped out 0.5 more. So entered here to the upside with my stop loss down here, and I got stopped out here. Total loss of 36, and then I entered two of these trades, so I had 36 losses twice. So you can see basically how I traded this today. Let's actually just kind of do a review to see if I could have traded this better, or if I could have used the strategy to trade something else. So I'm not sure if, because this doesn't have a wick, if it isn't considered the fair value gap. Hmm, hmm. So this actually was the 930, the 945, and the 10. This could have been the move. This wouldn't have been it. But I guess this could have been a fair value gap. Tell me if I'm wrong. But this could have been where I marked off the enter to the downside. And when it came into this zone, this would have been the nicer trade. Okay. So I'm kind of just looking at where I probably should have been focusing on. And I did spot this. But I just wasn't paying attention to it like that. And hmm, very interesting. Let's see how tomorrow plays. Try to even one more. This looks like a nicer one. Let's put this here. See how it trades off of this. I'm going to change the color of this so it's more visible. Maybe I'm doing this too slow for those that are trading view wizards. But that's basically it for today's video. You'll see these zones tomorrow, or these gap tomorrow, and we'll see how we can trade off of them. And these are also important zones. Hope you enjoyed this video. Coming into the last part of the video, if you even watch it this far, look at this. Tesla stock is, whoa, I've never seen this before. I've never seen this. What just happened? But Tesla stock is trending down like crazy, and PayPal. So I think these are the best stocks in the market, and I'm probably gonna just be buying them. Tesla and PayPal as they continue to the downside. So look out for that. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.